Hi, this is Steve. Welcome back to my channel. Once again, I continue to review the iconic collection from DeAgostini Collectibles, and that would be the American Cars collection. These are 1/43rd, and they are a beauty. They are iconic cars from the 1960s, 1970s, 1980s. These muscle cars can be yours by simply going over to DeAgostini Collectibles and subscribing to this collection today. I am on package number 12. It's hard to believe. I've already got a dozen packages in the mail, and these are fantastic. I got 4 more issues that came in the mail today. So without further ado, let's get started and let's look at the collection. And I'm excited to be back with another package from DeAgostini Collectibles, and this is pack number 12 I received in the other day. 4 more cars. This time I received a Plymouth, an Oldsmobile, and 2 Fords. Fantastic here, and these cars are definitely a fantastic collector's item in 1/43rd scale. You can see here we have the Plymouth Duster from 1973, the Oldsmobile Rallye 350 from 1970. We have a Shelby Cobra 427 SC from 1964 and Ford Mustang Cobra II from 1977. So without further ado, let's get started on the first car, which would be the Plymouth Duster from 1973. And here's the magazine from the American Cars collection. Car number 43, the Plymouth Duster from 1973. Fantastic color there. I love that. And the Plymouth Duster article here talks about the background of the car and who was most influential in making this car come about within the automotive industry. These magazines range from 12 to 13 pages, semi-gloss pages. A lot of research done here by DeAgostini. Great photos and photography here. And they always give us what I call the centerfold with all the technical data about the car, and that's fantastic. And Mexican variants of the car. Very cool there. Automotive advertising. And moving on, usually at the end here they give us what happened in that time period. 14th of January 1973, the King via satellite, Elvis Presley. So let me get the car out here, and here's our car. I'll get a closer view, and looks like we have Wrigley Field in the background there. Wonderful. Let me take the cover off and give you a closer look. Here we go. Great color there. The grill work, license plate. I love the hood scoop on that. Chrome wheels, the graphics, 340 graphics. Back end, dual exhaust. And of course, these can be removed if you want to take them off the display cases. I neglect to show you that in the past, but that is the car. Black interior, windshield wiper blades, side view mirror. I mean, that's great. Okay, let's go to the next car. Car number 44. Car number 44, the Oldsmobile Cutlass Rallye 350 from 1970. Beautiful here, and this is a bright yellow. Get a close-up, and there you have it. Looks like Chicago in the background, possibly. We'll take the cover off and give you a close-up there. I love the Rallye wheels, paint to match yellow, the striping. Tampo graphics there is excellent on this one. Black interior. Of course, the Oldsmobile dual scoops up front. I love that stance. Here's the other side. Wonderful. Side view mirror. Look at the wing on the back. Taillights, license plate, dual exhaust. Top of it. Go this way with it. There we go. And the striping, just fantastic. Black interior. Great. Okay. Go to the next car. Car number 45. And here's the next car, car 45, Shelby AC Cobra 427 SC from 1964. And here's the car here. Get a closer view. And looks like rural America in the background there. I'll take the cover off. And we'll get a closer view here. This has a lot of graphics on it. It's wonderful. I love the British racing green on this car. Front nose, you can actually see the cooling fans through the grille there. The painted headlights. Wow. The roll bar, black interior, chrome side view mirrors, tilted windscreen. This car is designed to go fast. The side exhaust pipes on both sides, chrome plated. Knockoff on the wheels, color matched wheels, chrome trim. This has a lot of detail on it. Metallic green, a lot of graphics. Interior looks wonderful. Wood grain steering wheel. I mean, look at that. This is great. Tampo graphics. Sam Fernstein. There you go. I mean, there's a lot to see here with this one. This one is fantastic. I love that. Wow. Okay. Put the cover back on here and we'll look at the last car in this collection for pack 12, car number 46. Car number 46 is the Mustang Cobra MK II from 1977, and to be honest, I was never a fan of this body style, but if you find some really nice restored ones or ones that were kept in the garage all these years, these are really fantastic looking and they are very unique. So there you have it. Let's go to the centerfold for this, and there you go. Wonderful. It is a beautiful looking Mustang. Just fantastic. Okay, bring the car over, and there's the car there. I'll bring us a little closer, and there it is. Looks like Florida in the background with the palm trees. Could be Miami. I'll take the cover off here, and I love the black and the gold striping on it, the Cobra graphics on it, the soft aluminum wheels. Front is great there too. Definitely has the look of the Mustang up front, and very nice finish on this. Louvers in the rear quarter windows. Got the spoiler in the back. Looks like New Mexico plates. Dual exhaust. Of course, those Cobra taillights. Very nice. Look at the top here. Metallic gold. Black interior. So that's very nice. Alright, I'll be right back and we'll do a wrap up. And there you have it. That was pack 12 of the DeAgostini Collectibles American Cars collection in 1/43 scale. These are fantastic and wonderful to collect. Head over to DeAgostini Collectibles and subscribe to this today. I put a link and a promo code in the description below. So we looked at the Plymouth Duster from 1973, the Oldsmobile Rallye 350 from 1970, the Shelby Cobra 427 SC from 1964, and the Ford Mustang Cobra II from 1977. These are fantastic and will look wonderful on my display shelf. If you like my content, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.